What's up guys, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. We sent this truck up on this awesome 7-inch full throttle kit. We got a little help from our paint shop, Crawford's Customs and Collision. Tuff AT true directional wheels that got this custom paint job again from Crawford's Customs. But first, before we get into that, let's get into that housekeeping we always talk about. For those of you returning, thanks, welcome back. Make sure you click that bell symbol so you don't miss out on anything that we are producing. For those of you that are brand new, thumbs up, subscribe, make sure to click that bell symbol and leave a comment in the comment section below. It does help get our stuff in front of eyes just like yours. Lego.